Alright, I should give a disclaimer here at the start that this video is purely for entertainment purposes only. I would never try and recommend anybody find a way to attain games illegally. Only get your games within the confines of the law. But yeah, this video shouldn't be taken seriously, purely entertainment purposes. And with that, enjoy the video. Alright boys, it's summertime in Britain and you know what that means. Hawaiian shirt is back, baby. The last time I was wearing this Hawaiian shirt for a video, I was a lot fatter, had longer hair. Also, I don't think I had the tattoo. I wasn't as hench. Yeah, I don't know. Those are the most significant things I can think of. Anyways, so what are we doing today? Today is the successor, the unofficial successor of I modded my PSP, because today I'm going to be altering, I'm saying that for legal reasons, altering my 3DS, or new TDS, New 2DS XL. Now, why would I do this, you ask? Because Nintendo shut down the eShop, so now even if I wanted to, I can't buy any digital games on this. So the only way to download games legally that I already own, for legal reasons, is through what's it called, homebrewing. So that's what we're gonna do today. This video is gonna be split up into 3 parts. Part number 1. I bought a new SD card specifically for this situation, so I have enough storage to do anything I want with my 3DS. So we're gonna pop in the new SD card. Number 2. We're going to look up how to homebrew the 3DS. Number 3, we're going to actually homebrew the 3DS. Number 4, I'm going to kill my... This 2DS XL only has a 4GB memory card. Or SD card, memory card, SD card, who gives a shit? Anyways, I figured, you know, with all the legal downloading of games I already own, I would need a lot more storage. So what I did is I went and ordered a 64GB SD card. Now it is a real shame because this 4 gig. Let me just get it out real quick. This 4GB SD card holds a special place in my heart because when my first girlfriend, the love of my life, the one that got away, the first night I bore her over when we and then I had to kindly, you know, remind her that role-playing as my best mate, Boris, it's not gay. That's just, we're just really good friends. And then... And then once we were done, 2 hours later, the DS had nothing to do with the altercation. Like, the DS had nothing, like, it was just sitting in my drawer. The DS didn't have anything to do with what I just said. It was just there. But, you know, it's the fact that this SD card was in that DS while I was doing all that in my drawer. I wasn't in the drawer, the DS was. I was on my bed. You know, it's just, it's a real shame, you know, to let this one go. Anyways. So, what we're gonna do, gonna crack this bitch open, and then, yeah, we're gonna put it inside, and then that's gonna be 64GB of memory I can use to do whatever the fuck I want. Doing this very professionally, of course. We only act professionally here on the TonyAct3 channel. How many fucking layers of cover do you need to give this thing to get it out? Jesus Christ. Okay, 64GB card. If you can see that, it's very tiny, but it is 64GB. Ha. It's not about the size of the boat. It's the motion of the ocean. Am I right? Am I right, fellas? Am I right? Anyways, we're gonna get that in there, and there you go. Cannot display the software on the micro SD card. The micro SD card could not be accessed. There's nothing on the micro SD card. I just opened this thing. Okay, well I went to settings and it says cannot. I don't know. Yeah, could not access micro SD card. So I'm gonna have to look this shit up. I will be back in 5 minutes.
2 hours later.
Yeah, turns out that whole thing was a mission and a half on its own. I had to download some software, copy files from my old SD card into my new one, format it, all that type of shit. Anyways, now it should be good to go. If I pop it in. Oh shit. Oh. Oh fuck. Oh, okay. All right. That's sick. Well, all the games I originally had, like Ocarina of Time, as you can see there. I also had Terraria, Pokemon Yellow, you know, a bunch of shit. It's still there, like all of my stuff carried over. Well, I mean, I did transfer it, so you know that makes a lot of sense. Anyways, got the new SD card in, 64 gigabytes, and now we're just gonna move on to the actual first step, which is looking up how to mod this thing. So the actual process of getting everything ready, files, etc., for ready to homebrew your device, it's tedious, and it's not something I'd find necessarily interesting. So we like for a video at least. So we're gonna speed run it. First off, you're gonna get some files, then you're gonna get the SD card, then you're gonna put the SD card inside your computer.
I mean, where do I put it?
You're gonna get the files, and then you're gonna put those files inside the computer. I mean, inside the SD card in different folders. You're gonna have to make a bunch of folders, some bullshit. I got a trim in the midst of making this. Then you're gonna need a QR code or something from a website, and then you scan that on the DS. And oh, that's a picture of my penis. And then that launches the homebrew menu. And then something about a god mode. I don't know. Kratos is involved. Create a backup of your files just in case something fucks up. And then by the end, the homebrew apps are installed on your device. I mean, that's the short and sweet version of all the events that transpired, everything that I did, because it's a long process, and I wanted this to be entertaining, not more so learning. For everything, all the videos I did use, I will leave them in the description in case anybody is actually curious on how to homebrew their DS. But I'm kind of just more making this like to as an like to entertain. But yeah, that's basically what I did. Like in a nutshell, that's what I did. So installing hshop was a lot more quicker than it was to actually homebrew the damn thing. So again, you know, same bullshit. Files inside the thing. Then you tell the DS to open the files and install them through the FBI menu. Hey Siri, install hshop. And yeah, 5 minutes, hshop is installed. It's done. Simple as that. Alright, so now that that's all said and done, there we go. We have hshop, which can be used allegedly to download shit. A specific type of shit, but you can download shit. Allegedly.
1 eternity later.
So, here I have a copy of Pokemon Omega Ruby, Super Smash Bros. For the 3DS, Mario Kart 7, and Pokemon Moon. And through hshop, I have managed to preserve these digitally, which is the only thing you should use hshop for, by the way, legally. So here we have Pokemon Moon, Pokemon Omega Ruby, Mario Kart 7, and Super Smash Bros. For the 3DS. Yeah, through hshop. So hshop works. Point I'm trying to make. I've used hshop. It works. But you should only use it for the stuff you already own. Okay, I can't stress that enough. But yeah, it works. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I didn't teach you shit. Again, I will leave everything in the description below. All the links for the videos I used. They will be down there if you actually want to learn how to do this, because I sure as shit didn't teach you how to do this. I more just set out to entertain you, you know, and I hope at the end of the day I have done that, because that was my goal. Yeah. Oh yeah, one more thing before I let you go. You'll never guess what theme I installed.